This is Complete Health in Pell City, St. Clair County, Alabama, USA. Their address is 70 Plaza Drive, Pell City, Alabama, 35125. They recently completed a rebranding of their medical practice, formerly known as Northside Medical Associates. And yeah, this is following them being sold to Pharaoh's Capital Group and becoming part of the Complete Health medical system. They recently changed their sign out on Highway 231 in Pell City, and I just wanted to do this video to let people in Pell City know about my experience dealing with this medical practice and advise you to look elsewhere for your health care needs. I paid to see a nurse at the Northside Medical Associates location in Trussville, Alabama. It's there near the new high school off of Deerfoot Parkway in 2019. I had a very serious head trauma based injury at this time. I almost died, and I was repeatedly misdiagnosed by the partner of Northside Medical Associates, now Complete Health, and they share this building. The address is 7201 Happy Hollow Road, Trussville, Alabama, 35173. And the sign out in front of this medical practice in Trussville, it reads St. Vincent's Trussville, also St. Vincent's Northside Primary Care, but this is the same location. And yeah, this is another issue that I had dealing with this place. Almost every time that I saw the name of the actual medical practice written down, it was a different name, and this is a huge red flag for any prospective medical patient out there. You can find out all the details about what happened to me at my YouTube channel. It's My Medical Nightmare, and I have several hours video about my experience dealing with this medical practice. I had previously gone to the emergency department of a related hospital of Ascension in Birmingham, Alabama, and this is St. Vincent's East. Went to the emergency department there repeatedly. I had several different levels of scans, x-rays, computer tomography, and to Northside Medical Associates, Trussville, now Complete Health. Saw a nurse there. I was referred to an MRI. The facility is located in the same building, and on my bill it reads as St. Vincent's Ambulatory Healthcare Network, LLC. They did the MRI. I got the results back from the MRI, and this was in August 2019. I saw nurse Frankie Crumb. The radiology scan was outsourced to an outfit also located in Birmingham, Alabama, and this is Vulcan Imaging Associates. Their office is located. This is located off of Lakeshore Drive in Birmingham, Alabama. Their doctor, Michael Brant Ruff MD, he looked at the MRI scan that I had done there, and on the report it comes back and it said that I had no injuries present. As I said, I almost died from this injury. I got the images on a CD from this medical practice. I got my records, and what I had in my hands, there were contradictions, because in those images I had 6 inches diameter of infection in my head, and this was confirmed by this nurse for Complete Health. He stuck an instrument in my ear and looked in my ear, and he could see where the swelling had expanded out from this wound, which circled in these MRI pictures. So I brought up these concerns to Frankie Crumb. I brought them up to Northside Medical Associates, now Complete Health. I also called Northside Medical Associates Complete Health owner and CEO, Dr. Ronald Helms. My phone call to this doctor was never returned. And yeah, I believe there was enough medical talent in this place to acknowledge the fact that I had been misdiagnosed and give me a correct medical opinion on these pictures for the money that they were asking for this scan. It was over $500. I went back to this practice, saw Nurse Celeste Richardson. The medical practice itself and St. Vincent's Ascension, they would not acknowledge my injury and help me get this straightened out. Neither would Vulcan Imaging or Dr. Brant Ruff. I called all of these people, and I did not get very far, despite having paid large sums of money. They would not acknowledge my injury or their mistake. You can hear all those calls, all the records, and see all the pictures. They're up there on my YouTube channel, my videos. Another thing about Vulcan Imaging Associates, they may still be doing radiology work for Complete Health and St. Vincent's Ascension. They will not acknowledge mistakes made by their doctors. I was told by this woman, Kim Mooney, who has no medical credentials, that their company stood behind that report, and she can't say that because she doesn't possess medical credentials. All right. I went back in 2021 and saw Nurse Celeste Richardson. My case and my situation had not been recorded in the records for Northside Medical Associates and Complete Health. Nurse Celeste Richardson would not acknowledge my injury either. And then after this visit, I requested my medical records from Northside Medical Associates, now Complete Health, and I was told there at the front desk they would not give me my medical records that day. And that is a huge red flag to any prospective medical patient. When I finally got my records, they appeared edited, and they had a cover sheet with the address of this Pell City Northside Medical Associates now Complete Health location. And again, I brought this situation up to Dr. Ronald Helms. My phone calls were not returned. Anybody who's looking for medical treatment in the Pell City area, Trussville area, please look into my situation before you spend your money and time with Complete Health.